Welcome back, you guys. My name is Paul, and in today's video, we're gonna wrap this vehicle up. Let's get right into it. Being a new YouTuber sucks because I just turned on my camera to record all that. It died somewhere where I started trimming up the piece and got to welding it. I'm sure if somebody wants to learn how to weld, don't learn from me. This is how this turned out. Basically, this piece overlaps this piece, and then I just kind of had spot welds through it. Got all that. The inside is all done, and I usually put seam sealer on self-etching primer first, and then seam sealer on all my welds. Doesn't hurt anything. I just had a tube with this much left, so I just decided to do that. I'm gonna probably focus on this one, pull these things off, chop way more than I need to. Probably just chop it probably right around under the bolt. Got it all prepped up. This is gonna go in here. Weld this bracket flush. Just kind of push it from the back, weld it. Pretty much got it all welded up there. So we're gonna put some body filler on this one, and then on the bottom, and also up here as well. Got it all primed up. It did form a line, but it's a very fine, misty line, so I didn't want to paint anything further because I don't know how the painter wants to take care of this. Plus there's that label, so I want to give him plenty of space. Doors are ready. The glass is cut out. This glass is cut out, so the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to use a wire brush, clean all this off. Even this primer too, and kind of clean all this up, and then primer it with this. There you go. Got it at O'Reilly's. It's basically black, and you apply this, let it cure for a little bit, and then you put your glue on it. That's what I've been told. Purely entertainment. Everybody kind of has their own way of doing things. This is how I do it. got the doors aligned. Everything matches up properly. It's all flush. Same gap. Properly work. They're not powered yet, because I'm not going to plug it in until it's all done. Going good. Look at this. She is all done. I'm gonna record this tonight. It's dark outside because the customer might be here first thing tomorrow morning. He said he might be later, but I just wanted to get it done and over with just in case he shows up in the morning. I want this car to be complete. I gave it a wash. I mean, nothing special, just to rinse off everything. My wife wants to come over here, get away from the kids for a little bit, and clean the interior. So I'll let her do that. And everything closes just like it should. Power works. And don't ask me why I do that. I just got so used to my van. This handle works also. But you have to get it all the way back. So everything works. The reveals are the same. See, it's all white underneath. That way it just looks perfect here. The front end is perfect. So yeah, I wish I had it that in blue. That would have been even nicer, but it's more like a Tetris, you know, it's a puzzle. It looks amazing, everything works, everything functions. I even replaced this mirror. I got this one was the blue one off that one, and then this one was a black one I ordered off eBay for a crazy deal. The guy was just throwing these things away, so I just picked them all up. She is done. I'm out for some new stuff. Probably the next video will be about me taking that trash out. This was a fun little project. Time-wise, took me about, I would say, if I worked on this full time, 2.5 days, about 24 hours of labor went into this. This one turned out amazing. The customer asked me if I could deliver it. He said he can't make it today, so we'll go ahead and send it back to him. And he should meet me up here at the parking lot. So there's some. She is done. It looks great. I'm actually thinking of fixing cars like this all the time now and not painting them. And just see which ones I fix, you know, because they'll be all over town. And if you see one like this driving around, it's probably mine, so don't be surprised. That being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.